We are a group of students from Cresskill High School who are dedicated to making a difference in the world. Our advisor, Mr. Massaro, chose 8 students from grades 9 through 11 whom he thought could get the job done. Our group consists of Mr. Massaro, Jackie Azelby, Haley Harzinski, Nikki Cerrone, Ray Kim, Maya Cates, Julie Goldfeld, Serena O'Rourke, and Abe Silver. After attending the Rutgers seminar about our environment, we were inspired to take action. Maybe it was the atmosphere of the campus, or maybe it was great speakers and teachers that truly got us thinking about how we could help the environment. Either way, we were inspired to take action and make a plan to renovate our barren courtyard, which has great potential in becoming a sustainable landscape that will promote environmental values. We even worked with Paul Keyes, a professional landscape architect who has been dedicating his time to help us create our action plan for a new, improved, and environmentally friendly courtyard.
First of all, I think that it's so dirty that nothing lives in it.
I think the courtyard now is pretty bad, like there's geese and it's really unkempt and it's dirty.
It's very dirty.
I think it should be reopened so we can all enjoy its beautiful and fantastic flora and fauna.
I would change the fountain. I would make the waterfall actually work. I would clean it up and I would make the ground nice and smooth.
What we should do is we should cut the bushes and get the geese out of there so it's like what it was, better.
They should get rid of all the moss on the chairs.
They should also try to put some bird feeders to attract birds and other animals.
They should also make the trees better.
Okay. And make sure that there's not litter on the ground.
And make the pool not dirty.
So that the fish have a nice place to live and they're not dead with the wires.
Yeah.
Use more animals,
I would hopefully build a gazebo.
The water, because the water is pretty dirty, and cut the grass, because the grass is really wildly grown.
And those animals out there, I feel bad for them because I see garbage there often.
And cans. And paper towels.
When I arrived in Cresskill about 3 years ago and I toured the middle school and high school facilities, one of the areas that I took a look at was the courtyard, and I thought to myself, what an underutilized space. Wouldn't it be wonderful if we can do something with this courtyard that could enhance all our programs and opportunities here at the Cresskill Middle School, High School.
The current state of the courtyard in Cresskill High School is not beneficial to our school or the environment whatsoever. There is a bulky amount of overgrown bushes that are taking up an immense amount of space that could be utilized for other, more environmentally sound implementations. These bushes attract unwanted bugs and animals that prevent the student body from enjoying the courtyard to its fullest potential. The walkway that surrounds the courtyard is made of cement, which is disheveled, dilapidated, and unsafe for individuals with disabilities such as those in crutches or those in wheelchairs. Along with these issues, there are also various compost bins that surround the outdated greenhouse that go unused and are also outdated. Various construction problems are also evident in the courtyard, including the drainage problem, the overgrown trees that are ripping up the pavement, as well as the dirty pond filled with who knows what. A recurring problem in the courtyard is that the overgrown grass and the waste of space issue. Our courtyard has a lot of potential, as one could see. There are various open grass areas that are currently going unused with no animal or insect life present.
As one can see, there are various problems in our courtyard that are detrimental to our environment as well as the well-being of the school community. The unsustainable grass is a hazard to the various plants and animals that live within it, and it needs to be redeveloped. We have a lot of aspirations for the outcome of the future courtyard at Cresskill High School. Since the courtyard is the focal point of the school, we are striving towards making it a place that is student-friendly as well as visually appealing. As a whole, we have planned a multitude of changes that will be set forth throughout the next few months, including a brand new amphitheater that will take place to the overgrown and messy bushes and rain gardens that will efficiently recycle rainwater and use it more beneficially. Compost bins will also be placed in areas surrounding the courtyard, as well as raised beds where different kinds of exotic and environmental friendly plants can be grown. One of our team's main goals is to restore the status of the outdated greenhouse. We plan to revamp the inside of the greenhouse by adding more modern sinks and shelves that are more sustainable and can hold more plants. Along with redesigning the inside of the greenhouse, we are going to grow vegetables and fruits in the greenhouse.
Our current goals are to expand awareness throughout our Cresskill community about the issues surrounding our planet to date. By turning our school courtyard into a sustainable learning area, we hope to illustrate to students, teachers, and parents that every minor change makes a difference for the better, and also to give a wide variety of actions that could make one's own home a more environmentally friendly area. We plan to introduce as well as instruct individuals on how to plant their own vegetables, reuse supplies from the land, successfully compost uneaten or discarded earth-grown food, and inspire creativity with a native vegetation sensory garden.